Chubby.
Puppy vids. Puppy vids.
It's a play. Huh?
Who's that?
That's red.
Oh, is that red collar?
That's red.
And here is purple collar, who's just sitting there waiting to be noticed.
Cool.
So very cute.
That's a spot, is it?
And there's Mom.
You found the spot.
Okay,
I will get you, grr.
Mr. Red.
I will get you, grr.
Green and orange over here.
Getting you. Okay, I guess I'm not getting you anymore. It's like, Mom, Mom.
I do not have anything for you, Orange.
Hi.
He's very chumpy. Now he's going to go off and...
Light blue. Light blue.
Oh, light blue.
And there's one more in there sleeping.
Oh my gosh.
Yes? Wake up, guys.
Oh, oh, you get it. Grr. Get it. Well, there was also a little leap, leap and a chomp, and he's multitasking right now. He is so handsome. Look at him.
Chubby, what are you doing?
No, you're like, don't let them in there. No.
Joe used to dig when she was between 2 and about 4. She
Look
used to
at how
dig little bins in the
just chill
back.
he is. He's just amazing.
Whew, lightheadedness.
Did you stand up too fast?
I haven't. Yeah, and I've got low blood sugar issues going on.
Oh, there's the wind.
Orange decided my shoelace is evil.
Well, it's good that we have dogs that tell us these things, because otherwise, you know, we'd be clueless, get attacked by the shoelaces, it'd be horrible.
Cool. This one is just very calm.
Oh, is that a spot? Did I find one? Did I find one right there?
Puppy hollers.
Hi. Did I find, oh, yep, I found it, I found it, I found it, I found it, I found it.
Wait, oh wait, oh wait, someone's got my ankle. Look out. Uh-oh, I'm being mauled. Look out, it's my foot. Grr. Grr, get my heel. Grr.
This one's like so fun.
Grr, grr, I'm very fierce. It's your heel. Grr. That's hilarious. Okay, I'm going to move now.